Alrighty, guys. I am going to make the case for pre-merger SPAC warrants. Basically, if you don't know what these are, it's you're basically buying the right to acquire shares at some date in the future at a predetermined price. Right? It's sort of like an option, but it's issued from the company itself, not, between traders. And so we had a guest on yesterday who was telling us about these. I went home, I did some research, I did my due diligence, and I'm actually going to go ahead and buy some of these SPAC warrants. So I'm going to buy both of the Chamath ones and one of the Alex Scores ones. And here's the deal with these. If these SPACs find deals, I will absolutely make money on them, right? Because you're buying the right to acquire shares of the stock at $10 or $11, and you're doing it for way below that price. So let me pull up the first one, IPODW or .W. This might be the warrants here. But basically, because I'm acquiring the shares, or the right to acquire the shares, or the warrants, right? So I'm buying the shares at $10. The warrants are going to be trading at about $2.50. So as soon as that deal is announced, these warrants should jump up in price. I'll be able to buy shares at the par value or a little bit above it. And, we'll see a nice little gap on those SPACs. So the reason why I like the Chamath ones and I like the Gores ones is because these guys have a great track record for getting deals done. The way you lose with the SPAC warrants is there's no deal, right? Then your warrants expire useless. If you own the actual stock, you get your money back. That's great. There's no deal. You just wasted some capital and had it locked up for a period of time. With the warrants, if there's no deal, your money goes to zero. You're wasting your time. And so because Chamath and Gores have a track record of getting deals done, several of them with their SPAC plays, and they've all done very well, that's why I'm going ahead and trusting these managers. I'm going to go buy these warrants. I'm going to not take big positions in any of them. I'm going to basically, there's 4 of them that I'm going to get. It's YAC, GRSV, IPOD, and IPOF. I'm just going to go ahead and take a $1,000 position in each of them. And again, any one that gets the deal announced should pay for the whole lot, and then we'll let the rest of the lot ride.